Hello, Galaxy. Chris Perillo here. I wanted to provide a quick update on the Samsung debacle related to customer service. And yeah, it's a day that ends in Y, apparently. They won't take this back. So I chatted with an agent online, the customer service agent, directly on Samsung's website, and he basically said there's nothing they could do. Like, sorry, we looked at it, we said it was cracked, we sent it back because you said you wanted it back. It's not cracked. I showed him photos. Look, it's not cracked. Yeah, we see it's not cracked, but there's nothing we can do about it. I mean, we're Samsung. What do you want from us? I don't know. That's not exactly what they said directly, but that's basically what they were saying. Like, we're Samsung. What do you expect? So I decided, after reading a few other posts on the internet and sharing my experience on Reddit, that was dangerous. People actually agreed. They're like, yeah, the same thing has happened to me. So this has happened before with Samsung. Are you surprised? I don't know. I was. So I called someone. I got on the phone, used a phone, not this one. This has been wiped. I used my active phone to get on the phone with an actual human being, not AI, at least not that I know of. And they said, well, here, let me take a look. I can actually pull up a video of the unboxing of the phone as it was set in. So apparently they get a video recording, at least according to this agent, of when they unboxed the phone to basically look at it. And she said she didn't see any cracks. So she saw a video of this phone, wherever it was sent, to verify there were no cracks on the screen, despite the email from Samsung saying there were cracks on the screen. I'm like, okay, great. So now could I trade it in? No, you can't trade it in. Well, why not? The phone is fine. You made a mistake. Why can't I trade this in, Samsung? Well, because you've completed the order. Okay, I did order the phone. I have the new phone. The new phone is fine. Yeah, but see, in order to trade it in, you need to send the phone that's working fine back to us. You have to basically go through the process of returning that entire order in order to get a trade-in on the phone that clearly does not have a crack on it. So again, I know there's crack involved somewhere. I just don't know who's smoking it. There's no crack on this screen, and I know I'm trying to hold it at every conceivable angle. The problem is that this dang curved glass kind of throws people off. There's no crack. I can assure you there's no crack. Even Samsung, a representative, and I've got a case number, said there's no crack in the screen. I took it back because you told me there was a crack in the screen, and I knew when I sent it there was no crack in the screen. And you're telling me right now in this call, and I was, by the way, you can ask the people who were watching on live.perillo.com when this happened. I kept my composure. I did not lean into her. In fact, I went as far as to say, hey, look, I know this problem because I was trying to resolve it to try to get him to take this phone for the asking price. They asked $500. They said, take it $500, no cracks, working condition. This is worth $500 to Samsung. Or it was at one point, and maybe it will be at some point in the future if I return my current working device without a crack in it as well, back to them to reorder the device and set it up again and do that whole, all the rigmarole. And at this point, I've lost more time, which is money on top of frustration. So I even said to her, I'm like, look, I know this isn't you, it's not personal, but your policy is garbage. Watch out for Samsung customer service. Let this be a warning to you. This is the second time I've had a nightmare with Samsung customer service. Second time. Cervix, I guess. Well, yeah, they did kind of give birth to the phone. How's that for a mental picture? So, yeah, Samsung screwed up, but I'm the one who's got to pay the price.